in the military for 4 years. In the Navy, I was an operations specialist. CyberTex, a big organization, and treats you like a family. Our instructors here also are a veteran as well. And the reason why I think that is important is because relatable. I know a lot of people struggle with PTSD, myself included. There was issues that I can go to my instructors with that no one else would understand but the military. And that is one of the reasons why I chose CyberTex here in Austin. Here at CyberTex, we had veteran specialists who were able to help me with my GI Bill. The process was a smooth process. I was able to get FAFSA as well with my GI Bill. I was able to work in the morning and also attend the evening classes. The class sizes were actually smaller than what I assumed, and that was perfect for me. I got able to do a one-on-one with my teachers every day. Any courses that I felt that I needed extra help on. So I did the externship here at CyberTech, and immediately I was placed on a job at Family Medicine Austin. The experience for me was phenomenal. And the reason why I say that is because I was able to do multiple things that I was taught here at CyberTech, including the EHR, and including the phlebotomy and the EKGs. My advice to any veterans out there looking to go back into the schooling, I would say CyberTex is one of the greatest opportunities that you can possibly have in your life. They are very organized when it comes to placing you in a job that you feel is necessary for you, and they can work around your schedule as well. So if I were you, I would definitely try to go to CyberTex.